Did you know that just a little bit of castor oil before bed can trigger a silent transformation inside your body, the kind of healing that quietly works while you sleep and gently surprises you the next morning? If lately you've been feeling that your joints, skin, and gut don't work the way they used to, tight, stiff joints, dry, tired skin, slow, heavy digestion, you're not alone. Most people don't realize this simple truth. Your tissues aren't getting the hydration, nutrition, or circulation they need to repair themselves. And when that happens, everything slows down. Movement slows down. Healing slows down. Even your mood slows down. But here's the beautiful part: your body wants to heal. It just needs the right support. And this is where castor oil shows its quiet magic. It doesn't shout. It doesn't act instantly like a chemical. But it works consistently, softly, and deeply, doing things even expensive creams and supplements fail to do. Let's walk through the healing that starts when you apply castor oil before sleep. 1. Do your joints feel stiff and painful? Think about all the pressure your joints handle every day: walking, standing, bending. No wonder they tighten over time. When castor oil sinks into your skin, it warms the area, increases circulation, and gently lubricates the joint spaces. You wake up feeling looser, lighter, and far more flexible, almost like your joints took a deep breath overnight. 2. Do your muscles tire easily? Weak ligaments? Your muscles and ligaments carry your weight, your stress, your daily load. Over time, they grow weak and slow to recover. Castor oil delivers fatty acids straight into those tired tissues, supporting repair and soothing micro-tears. By morning, you feel stronger, supported, and more stable. It's like giving your body a quiet overnight massage. 3. Constipation or bloating. A sluggish gut can drain your energy and mood. Castor oil gently stimulates the muscles in your intestines, helping food move along smoothly. No harsh pulling, no chemical squeeze. Just a soft nudge that reduces bloating and brings natural comfort back to your belly. 4. Lymphatic congestion or low immunity. Your lymphatic system is your body's drainage network. When it slows down, toxins build up, swelling increases, and immunity drops. Castor oil encourages movement in the lymph channels, helping your body detox the way it naturally wants to. You feel lighter, cleaner, and more energized. 5. Dry, dull, rough skin? Your skin begs for nourishment, especially when it's exposed to stress, sun, and pollution. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, creates a protective barrier, locking in moisture while repairing dry patches. By morning, your skin feels soft, hydrated, and refreshed, as if it finally got the drink of water it needed. 6. Thin or brittle eyelashes and brows? Stress, makeup, and lack of nutrients can weaken your lashes and brows. Castor oil feeds the hair follicles, strengthens keratin, and promotes natural thickness. With consistent use, they look fuller, healthier, and more defined. 7. Muscle cramps, period pain, or inflammation. Inflammation silently builds inside the body. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties soothe cramps, reduce swelling, and relax tense tissues. Instead of popping a pill every time pain appears, this is a gentle, natural way to calm the body. 8. Fungal or bacterial skin issues. Fungal infections and bacterial irritation can affect anyone. Castor oil naturally contains antifungal and antibacterial compounds that help protect and soothe the skin. Whether it's around the nails, between toes, or on dry spots, castor oil works like a soft shield. 9. Poor blood circulation. Poor circulation slows healing and weakens tissues. Castor oil warms the skin, increases blood flow, and ensures oxygen and nutrients reach the areas that need repair. You feel more vitality in your hands, feet, and joints. 10. Puffy or tired eyes. Long days, screens, stress, they all show up under the eyes. A tiny amount of castor oil reduces puffiness, hydrates the delicate skin, and brings back a rested, fresh look. It's a natural remedy for eyes that feel heavy or strained. 11. Skin sagging or losing elasticity. Collagen is the foundation of youthful skin. When stress and age reduce collagen production, the skin starts to sag. Castor oil supports elasticity, giving the skin a firmer, lifted look over time. It's a simple nighttime ritual that your skin quietly appreciates. 12. Slow overall repair and recovery? If your whole body feels sluggish, joints tight, skin dry, gut slow, it's a sign your cells need help. Castor oil sends a strong message of repair. While you sleep, it works behind the scenes, relaxing joints, smoothing digestion, softening skin, and helping your body reset. Just imagine. Oneness, and if you enjoy powerful, real science-based wellness tips, make sure to subscribe to Clinical Discovery so your health journey keeps getting better day by day.